Hey guys, Sanam here from SellerMobile. I'm super excited to introduce you to some of the new features that we've just launched in version 7 of SellerMobile's mobile app. Today I'll do a quick walkthrough of the mobile app with our new Alerts feature and Scout tool. We have the most informative and easy to navigate mobile app that's out there for Amazon sellers, and it's packed with great data and analytics. We truly are bringing you the best in alerts, profits, inventory, and really a quick glance into your Amazon business so you can always stay up to date wherever you are. Let's start here by opening up the SellerMobile app. If you've logged into it in the past, as I have, you'll be logged in automatically. Otherwise, you can log in a couple of different ways, which I will show you in one of my other videos, and I'll be sure to link that to the bottom of this video. Just keep in mind that you have to have an Amazon Seller Central account integrated with SellerMobile for our app to populate data. Again, it's really secure and fast, and you only need to authenticate the first time to make it auto login the following times that you visit the app. Okay, now that we are in the app, let's get started. Right off the bat on this screen, you see a sales summary here where you can see profit, sales for the day, orders placed, and more. Again, it's a great summary of how you're doing, and you can tap on the different time periods to see just for today or 7 days, and etc. And you can click on one of these sales by date, and you'll see a breakdown of each or every single sale for that day and all of the details for that one sale. The performance trends shows you how your numbers are comparing to, let's say, if you're looking at 7 days, you'll see a comparison of numbers for this week's 7 days to last week. Recent orders is just as it sounds. I like to visit the app and look at this at a quick glance to see what orders are kind of coming in. The next widgets show summaries for some of our tools that we have on the web app. We added these in when our customers requested for them on the mobile as well because they found them so helpful on the web app, as they give lots of impactful analytics, and knowing about them really affected their business profitability and that bottom line number. So things like how much revenue you'll lose if you don't restock on time. If you have stranded inventories, this helps you compare that number to total listings and active listings on Amazon. Our restock tool on the web app is really comprehensive, but on this widget you can see a summary of what you need to restock, items that need restocking. And sometimes when I'm on the go, I can even click on the details section here to see exactly what needs to be restocked and how it will affect my sales. I personally love this speedometer type widget because it allows me to gauge how much I'm paying in storage fees really quickly so I can take the appropriate action to bring this down. Same here for the asset value. I can see what it is and which fulfillment center it's in. The refund widget is a glance into how much I'm processing in refunds. Brand analysis lets me see a brand's asset value and revenue generated. Recent FBA shipments shows me what's in the works and what's being processed, so I don't need to log in into web app or even Seller Central to track that. Quick glance into your Amazon ad spend here. If you have access to the feedback tool, you'll see emails sent here and the status of your feedback campaigns. Again, if you have an upgraded account with us, you'll see the auto repricer widget and what's being repriced. Your list of suppliers if you've inputted that information into SellerMobile. And then last on the screen is current assets and how much of that is fulfillable, inbound, and etc. As you can see, this home screen in itself is packed with features, and I didn't even dive into the details of each one in this video, just so I can show you some of the newer features. On this bottom menu, you see Home, which I briefly just showed you. The sales icon and the inventory icon are amazing in themselves because they give you so much information about your Amazon business, so be sure to download the app and check these out. Really quickly, I have to show you one of my favorite features of the inventory tool, and that is how truly customizable the screen really is. I can see so much data for each one of my listings, and if I click on this little paper pencil looking icon, I can choose which labels I want to see for each listing. So for example, if I want to see total profit for this one item, how much I've sold, or even potential lost sales if I don't restock this as recommended by our demand forecast algorithm. And then when I go back after applying these changes, I can see all of that data here. Of course, if I click on the item, the information that I see is just amazing and really remarkable for a mobile app to be able to show me so much information in these bite sizes. I can see sales summary, lost sales analytics, inventory analytics, competitors for that item, even a 12-month detailed forecast and selling trends. I also appreciate this ROI calculation portion. So as you can see, it's all really consumable, not overwhelming, but extremely informative for a mobile app. So here are our newest two tabs, the alerts icon and the scout tool. A lot of people recognize SellerMobile for our cha-ching alert sounds. And with this icon, you can see all of the alerts if you missed the incoming notification. Also within here, you can control what you want to receive alerts for. So if you click on alerts, you have ASIN alerts and account alerts. If I click on ASIN, I will see all of the products listed here, and it's so simple to navigate through and select if I want a push notification, email notification, or SMS alert when there's a change for this particular ASIN. Now, if you don't want ASIN-based alerts, you can also choose to receive just account alerts. Let's say for daily sales, incoming orders, even hijacker notifications. And that's all really simple to set up here now with this updated alerts section. You can turn on notifications or turn them off and update or change your email or phone number where you want to receive these alerts. Okay, so that's one down, one new icon. Let's briefly dive into the Scout tool. As you can see, I searched for this Crayola sketchbook before. Now I'm going to look for, let's do a balloon pump. Now, if the item is in front of you, you can scan the barcode, or in this instance, I'm just going to go ahead and type in balloon pump and see what populates. And immediately the search pulls up how many listings there are for this on Amazon, the ASIN for it, the current buy box, and so forth. When clicking into a specific listing, I can do more research and get more details about the item, if that is something that I'm interested to sell on Amazon. So I can see how much this is being sold for, the item price, and if you have a source for this item, you can input the cost of goods and see what your total profit could be if you started to sell this item. I mean, the information you can access here is just amazing. Here you can even see current offers for this listing. If you click on research, you can click on where you'd like to see this listing, and if you click on the ASIN, it'll take you to Amazon to that particular listing. Now, when you click on add to save the search, you can create a group or add to an existing group. This will allow your searches to be organized and saved into a favorites filter of the Scout tool. So I'm going to go ahead and create a list and call this, let's say, party supplies, and add this new group. And then I'll save my balloon pump listing information into that group. So the next time I'm in the Scout tool and I click on favorites here, I can see all of the items that I have researched and may want to start to sell. The history tab will also show you everything that you've looked into, so you can go back just in case you forgot what you were looking at or you just want to glimpse at all the things you've looked into. And this is our mobile app. As you just saw, we have tons of features built in. I'll post more videos diving into each one of our icons. We hope you'll enjoy the new alerts and Scout tools on our mobile app. Be sure to visit the app in the Apple Store or Google Play Store. We would love to hear from you with any feedback. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Here's to hoping that you'll hear so many cha-ching alerts today for incoming sales. Now go download the SellerMobile app and see you next time.